WWE 2K26 release date leaked. The WWE 2K series sticks to a yearly release cycle, and fans have been waiting to see when the next entry will arrive. If a new leak is accurate, the wait for WWE 2K26 may be over soon. Bilbo Kun, a well-known leaker who has correctly revealed release dates and details for many games in the past, has just shared something exciting for WWE 2K fans. According to his report, WWE 2K26 is expected to launch on Friday, March 13th, which would line up with the franchise's usual early-year release window. The leak also shares early details about platforms and editions. A physical version is reportedly planned for PS5, Xbox Series X, and Nintendo Switch 2. However, the Switch 2 version is expected to follow the same approach as WWE 2K25, meaning it will be a code-in-a-box release rather than a physical cartridge. Players would still get the box, but the game itself would need to be downloaded digitally. On the digital side, WWE 2K26 is expected to launch on PC, PS5, Xbox Series X, and Switch 2. What remains unclear for now is whether the game will also come to PS4 and Xbox One, according to the leak. There's currently no metadata linking WWE 2K26 to last-generation consoles, which could suggest that this year's entry may finally move on from older hardware. That said, nothing has been officially confirmed yet. Pre-orders are expected to open this Friday, on January 30th, the same day the developers have already teased a full announcement. The leak also mentions that Triple H could be the cover star for the Standard Edition, but this has not been confirmed either.